Hello everybody, I am here with a video for you that you might want to watch if you're looking to buy the $1 Million Roses as I was. Now I decided to get them because I saw the reviews, saw a little bit of videos, and I said, you know what, I like flowers and let me get them, let me see what they're about. And I'm here today to review the $1 Million Roses. Now what is the $1 Million Roses, you say? Well, good question. The $1 Million Roses. It's a rose company that claims for their flowers, I think they're all roses if I'm correct, to last 3 years, okay? 3 years. There's other companies like I think the Eternal Rose Company, whatever, look them up. Some companies only last 1 year. Now, the $1 Million Roses, this lasts 3 years. So I decided to get it. They did have a sale recently, 30% off. So I took advantage of it. It was also free shipping. So I got a couple of roses, and as I've mentioned in my previous video, if you've watched them, which the link will be above, you will see how I said I love roses. I went to Walmart and I bought a bouquet of like just different roses, and I made my own like little, I guess like not bouquet, like a flower centerpiece. So today I'm unboxing and showing you guys how the $1 Million Roses look, and as time progresses I'll also give you guys updates on how they're looking. So let's unbox this. All right, I do have my box here. Just by the touch of it, it feels cool, so that's amazing because I ordered it about 5 days ago. Today is the 21st, if I'm correct. You know, you lose track of time with this corona. I'm sure I'm not the only one who doesn't know what day it is. I think today's Friday though. I think I do know that. So I've been waiting for it for a couple days and it's finally here. I do feel that it's cool, and that is amazing because that is to preserve the flowers so that by the time they get to you, they're not dying. So let's open this up. I should have brought a what are they called, those knives? I forgot, but I don't know where it's at, so this will do. There we go. So it does come packed in this, and it looks like there's another box on top of it. There we go. This one's mine. So I ended up buying one for myself, one for my mother, and then my sister, two for her, you'll see. So it does come with care instructions. They do say about this, for you to take care of them and for them to be preserved for 3 years, is that you must not water them. So you don't have to water, perfect, right? And just keep away from direct sunlight because obviously sunlight is good for us, but too much sunlight can just end up killing things. And another thing was, do not put objects on top of it, and do not for whatsoever attempt to remove the flowers out of the box, because once you do that, they're not going to guarantee the 3 years that they claimed for it to last if you do that. So like I said, they were cool to touch when you got them. That was because they were probably refrigerated, because I don't see anything to keep them cool in here. But that's just because when they were in the refrigerator and they got shipped here, then they're still cool, which was pretty awesome. So I'm going to continue with the unboxing. This is how they're looking. I got the heart-shaped one, and I believe it's called Deep Rose, with the box that says the $1 Million Roses, Los Angeles, and the box is gold. I don't know they smell as strong as the roses when you get them from the flower shop. That's how it looks. Let's take it out of the plastic. And then it came seated here, so for added protection. And then there you go. You can't, I believe you can take the bottom out. Oh, I guess you can't, but it's fine because you'd want to rest it in here anyways. You don't want to cover it. Another thing, they don't quite smell like fresh flowers from a flower shop. But then again, there are different types of flowers and some of them have more of a fragrance than others. Maybe that's the case because I don't know what kind of flower this is. I'm assuming this is a hybrid from the company that they produce themselves, of course, because they want to genetically engineer a flower that's going to last and the test of time for their quality product. But another thing, I know they were made in, they're shipped from Ecuador, if I'm correct. And they are cut fresh, and then they undergo this process of, I mean, I don't know what the process is, but they do have, what's the word? Glycerin, or what is it called? I believe it's like a glycerin, basically. And this glycerin helps protect them from aging. So it's an anti-preservative for them. So again, this is what we have working with here, and I'm going to open up a new one so you guys can see the other flowers that I ended up getting. Now on to the second box. This is a smaller one, so I already have a feeling which one this one's going to be, and this one's super cute. You'll see it. This is an accident waiting to happen here. Okay, so this is the second box here. It's super cute. I love the gold and I like the black, and I like how it actually closes and opens. Now see, now let's open this box and look how it comes. Will you marry me? No, but seriously, this one's so pretty. It's a gray with the $1 million roses, and it's a charm. The S is for the initials of my sister. Now see, this is what it rests on. So it comes with the S, and when you flip it, it has this little design here. So let's bring it, open it, and you got your little flower. And you can pick the flower that you want and the box. I believe they only have 2 boxes right now. Okay, this one has more of a scent to it. I like this one more. This one's more flowery, more fragrant. This is what I'm used to smelling in a rose. It's very sweet and nice. The other one wasn't quite, it was faint. It wasn't there. But this one smells really good. You want to smell it? This one smells good. I like it. It's different flowers, so different flowers give you different scents. It smells fucking nice. Like I can see that one in a perfume. Like I want a perfume like that. They make rose perfumes, don't get me wrong. Not all roses smell the same. That one will be nice just in itself, just in a perfume. You can put other undertones, whatever, middle tones, end tones and stuff like that. But just that smell on its own, it smells amazing. Let me show you guys up close. It's really nice, I know, but I like how fucking this one smells. It smells good. So that's how that looks. This one's super cute. I like this one. That's what I think about when I think about a rose. This. Oh, and you know what's really, really nice about this? Okay, if you guys have bought in flowers or like specifically roses per se, then you guys know, or I don't know if it's me or something, but I've ordered different kinds and I've just noticed, and I do know with like gardening a little bit, that different flowers last different amount of times, you know? Am I saying it right? Like different flowers have different life cycles. Some last longer than others, and I've just noticed that roses don't last quite that long alive. So this is awesome that this can last 3 years. And again, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this, But wow, 3 years, I'm sold. It was pricey. Let me tell you, all of this was pricey. And I still got 2 more boxes to open. But I will say it was worth it. And I did take advantage of the 30% off. Now, with the 30% off, and I'm assuming in the future when they have sales, they only give you a selection that you can choose from. But still, I mean, get it. And if it's not something you like, pay full price. Because I think 3 years is worth it for flowers. So let's close this back up, put it back in its spot, and gift it to the owner, the person who you're gonna gift it to, and they will be very grateful, I'm sure. If it's a female, come on, who doesn't like, even a man, who doesn't like flowers? You know, if someone likes flowers, you gift them this, okay? You guys, look at this beauty. Look how big it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to back it up for you guys to see how big it is. Look at that. This box right here. Okay, so I got this opened. Okay, so this is the biggest one that I ordered. Look how beautiful. Yes, I'll marry you. Just kidding. All right. So the same thing, it says the $1 Million Roses with the Los Angeles name there. So here you go. I really wanted to get the dome one, but the dome one wasn't on sale, and I was going to take the sale for now, you know. I can always get some in the future and get the dome ones because the dome ones look amazing. I did get one dome one, and I'll open it. It's going to be right after this one. See, these don't smell quite as nice as the pink one. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. Kind of, I don't want to say, but kind of just smells like plastic. But I don't know if it's part of this or what. Or I just can't smell nothing. I mean, I smell a smell, and the smell is what I pretty much said. Or just like faint. I mean, it smells like, you know, greenery, like the flowers and stuff, but it's just yeah, greenery plant, but it's like, it's very faint. But nonetheless, it is beautiful. This one, in case you're wondering, this one was, they say 50 like to 60 flower stems. And in case you're wondering how much this one was, I'll put it in the screen because I don't quite remember. But in case you're wondering, I'll tell you how much I paid for it. And like I said, there was a 30% off. 50 to 60 flower stems. But I'll put it all in the description so I get the information right for you guys in case you guys are wondering. So that is the box. One more time. Look at that. Beautiful. Hang it in the wall. Just kidding. I don't know how I will do that. That will, but I don't know how you would do that. I guess you can. You can if you had a shelf, like a floating shelf or something, or just like on top of your shelf there or something. Imagine the dome ones. That would look so amazing. Yep. And that's it. And it came with your bow. Now let's move on to the last one. But this one's really special. I think it's special on its own as well. So let's move on and I'll show you what that one looks like. I like how this one came with this. I was able to pull it out so good. Something that my sister pointed out to me, and I want to go touch it. The feel of it does not feel quite the same. Just warning you if you buy it. It doesn't feel quite the same as if you were to buy it from the flower shop. Reason being is because I think of the preservatives that they put. It don't feel the same. It don't feel the same. It probably won't smell the same because of the process it went through. Who knows? Or maybe because it's the type of flower it is. I'm sure it'll alter it a bit, even if it did smell, because of the process that it went through. But yeah, she said it just didn't feel quite the same. And I felt it. It's a little, what would you describe it? It's a little, I don't know, fake, different, not real. But like I said, if you're getting it to like, you don't have to water it. If for those who say I don't have a green thumb, and for those who love flowers like I do, and you don't have to water it, you don't have to take care of it, and it's gonna last 3 years, that's the plus. but it doesn't, yeah, it feels a little different. Just letting you know, warning you out there. I don't want you to get hit with any surprises. And it's coming from my mouth. Like, yeah, no, it doesn't feel quite the same. So, letting you know, let's move on to opening this box here. I didn't have to, I wish I knew. Now, this one's a little bit more unique. The reason being because the box is actually kind of like a suede, soft. This one says the same thing as the other ones, the $1 Million Roses, Los Angeles. But yes, suede, circle, plus this one's a dome. So for instance, the other one, we're just up. This one kind of pops out and does the little dome mold. So it comes with the light pink, yellow. No, it was supposed to be ivory. This is considered their ivory, light pink, and lavender. So, yes. And I do see it. It's a different feel. Again, they're preserved, so I guess I couldn't expect it to have the same feel. Now, let's do the smell test. Okay, these smell just like the other ones. So the little one in the little packet, the little cutesy little thingy, that one smelled the best. So letting you guys know that one smelled the best. Might be different flowers. Okay, this one's a little fragrancy. The yellow one here, actually I smelt it. It gave me a little bit more fragrance, a little bit similar to the other one. But not quite as nice as the other one. Jeez, I can't get it off my head. I don't know if I should say it. This girl says it just reminds her of dead, of when you go to a funeral or something. Like, she's not, I don't know if I'm gonna look at them the same anymore. Like, I mean, because there are like preserves, you know, and a dead body's preserved, like nasty. Okay, anywho, this is my reviews and thoughts of it. Like, what would you rate it?
It's a cool concept.
It's a cool concept. What would you rate it though?
I like them. I just wish it was more fuller.
Fuller? Honey, you have to pay for that.
No, I know. No, but like the roses are like
smaller. You want them big. That's another thing. I don't know. Again, this is just what I bought. She wishes they were fuller, more bigger. Have you seen like the big fat roses? Okay, well, I told her maybe the reason being to this is, again, because they're trying to preserve the life. So they try to get them when they're young and bloom and preserve them. I'm assuming that's the process to it. Could be wrong. I don't know. Put your thoughts. Let me know. Give me your thoughts. If somebody knows, please let us know. I like to be educated. I like to know. I like to know information. I mean, maybe, or I guess I can go and research it, and if I can't find it on the website, I guess I can call the company myself. But I mean, if you know, I mean, put it down. Put it down in the links. Put it down in. But it is pretty, yes, that it is. I will say, if someone were to give me this, like I said it myself the day I bought it, like if someone were to give me this, like I will be happy. And then knowing that it lasts 3 years, like as long as you take care of it right, don't poke them out or take them out of the box. Do not put them in direct sunlight. Do not try to water them. Then you should be golden. And yeah, I would be happy if somebody gifted me this. This is really nice. So these are my flowers from the Million Roses. So this is my flowers from the Million Roses, and I'll come back and update you guys on how the flowers turned out. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy your day.